What is your version of success? For some, it's money. For others, it's happiness. You only have one life to live, so it might as well be worth it. Every day of my life has been leading me to this exact moment. So as I stand here looking out this window, reflecting on my life, I have an overwhelming feeling of gratitude. But forget the car. It's not the car. It's the story of how I got to the car. The work, the daily commitment, the conscious decision to succeed. It's not easy, but I do it. I do it because I want it. I want it bad. Some people will say I'm showing off. Others will say I'm inspiring. But I guess it just depends on what you're looking for. But since you're already watching, might as well sit back, relax, and enjoy the show, because I'm just getting started. Oh my God, you guys. Welcome to today's video. This is a glorious, amazing day. We are at Sheepeyrace right now, and I am picking up my 2017 Audi R8 with their Stage 1 twin turbo kit. And oh my God, we walked inside, I caught a peek of it. It looks so good, and I cannot wait. Hey, you're ruining my clip.
Oh, sorry.
I can't wait to show you guys. So we're waiting for Alex, the owner of Sheepeyrace, to get here, and then we're gonna go inside and we'll show you guys around. Stay tuned. But dude, check out this SVJ behind me. I mean, there's just, you go inside and it's just R8s and Lambos everywhere. There's, you know, you'll recognize some of the Lambos inside. I mean, there's some famous cars in there. So I don't even know what to say right now. This is absolutely incredible. Dude, these tires or wheels are insane. It's like woven carbon fiber around. This is insane. I literally feel like I can hear this car and it's not even turned on yet. Like, dude, look at those massive exhaust tips. That's insane. Let's do that then. Oh man. Are these the original seats?
Yeah.
Hey.
They're like bucket style.
They are bucket seats.
Driving of it's identical to stock.
Wow.
Very smooth.
Very smooth.
Yeah, you see, like, if I go back to comfort, right? It's automatic. It is drive normal. You can literally have a normal conversation. That's why I love the R8.
Yeah.
You know, it's not obnoxious. You can just not in the mood to hear anything. You just drive it smooth, right?
Yeah.
So if you want to smash, we just hit that button, push this to the right, and you know.
And then we're back to.
Yeah, we're back to power. Smooth, right?
It is very smooth, yeah.
They're too smooth, you know?
Yeah. but the pull, like the smooth pull is nice.
No, this is definitely smooth. That, right? Feel quick?
I can't believe this is my car.
Hell yeah, dude.
Oh my god, I can't believe this is happening right now.
Hard work. You get anything in the world with a lot of hard work.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Will gave me a ride in his R8, and that was kind of like the life-changing experience.
Yeah, no, they, you know, I always tell my customers, like, as long as God keeps blessing me with, you know, doing well in life,
yeah,
I'll always own a V10 twin turbo. They're just something else.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, what about that NA V12 though?
That's my favorite car right now.
I'm sure it is. All right, so for those of you who watch TJ Hunt's page, he was driving this car around for a little bit. And whose car is this?
458 Destroyer on Instagram.
Destroyer 458 on Instagram, who also owns the old DDE car right here. Come on.
I don't want
Come on.
I don't like cameras.
Come on, bro.
Hey. I just like the chest.
Hey, turn around.
Look at the wing, bro.
Turn around and give me finger guns.
Pew, 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 pew.
There we go. There we go. Nice.
Dude, this thing.
Oh, man. Alright, you guys, so we've been driving for quite a few hours. We stopped right before the Grapevine. It's freezing cold out here. We forgot that it gets snow, but we want to just kind of pull over, stretch our legs, get a few shots of the R8 before it gets too dark. So I don't know, man. I literally don't even know what to say about this car because I didn't even think that this moment was going to come or happen. Like, it's just crazy to me that, like, this is my car. Like, I don't even know what to say. So I just bought it, literally like.
Do you have any paperwork on it?
I have digital copies of my loan paperwork for the car.
Yeah, just show me. I gotta see the VIN number or whatever's on there.
Yeah.
Is it a brand new? Like, what year is it?
It's a 17.
17? Okay.
Yeah.
And there's no paper dealer plates on it? Did you get it from a dealer?
I bought it from a guy, and the guy owns a dealership, but I don't know if I bought it from him or through his dealership.
Okay.
So let me just pull
You should know better nonetheless, because the law changed in 2020. You have to have those paper dealer plates now.
Okay.
Jeff,
what's up?
In all fairness, this is the exact content we were trying to get.
I know, right?
I literally said,
It's okay, you can keep talking.
oh, you're trying to change the brightness?
There
Dude,
we go.
this is legitimately what I said we need to have happen. Is we need to get pulled over.
Yeah.
Like, it's not a YouTube video in your new twin turbo R8 without a pullover. This is perfect.
What paperwork do you have? Do you have anything at all?
Yep, I do.
I'm running right now, and there's like no record of it on file or anything.
So that's it right there.
What's your name? Are you Jeff?
I'm Jeff, yeah.
Okay. The issue right here, man, is I could tow your vehicle because there's no way of identifying it. Your VIN's not coming back to anything, and then we hold it until you're able to, since you're the owner, you got to prove The paperwork.
Well, isn't the VIN on there though? The VIN's on there.
Yeah, but when I run your VIN, it doesn't come back to anything. This vehicle is not registered anywhere. So basically what can happen is...
What do you mean it's not registered?
It's not registered anywhere.
To anybody?
Anywhere, anybody. So basically it's a not registered vehicle. So if you get the vehicle stolen, and we look up that VIN, it's not going to show up anywhere.
Wait, what?
If you get it towed for whatever reason, you can't get it back because there's no real paperwork for the vehicle. Did he give you a pink slip or anything?
No. No, so I have my loan paperwork. They said that the loan company should be sending all this stuff to the DMV.
Call them. Okay. They got to give you some type of plate because they broke the law by selling it to you without any identifying info on there, and it puts you in a weird spot because you get pulled over, something happens, your vehicle gets towed, you can't get it back. Cars with no plates are like an indicator the car's stolen or something like that.
Okay.
So, all right, man. You have a good night, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Bro, what?
Yeah, I don't know, like...
What?
All right, so here we are on another stop on our epic journey. I always feel like anytime I come to LA to buy a car, it's like an epic journey on the drive back. So we stopped, we're stretching our legs, and I realized we haven't really given you much content of the actual car. So we're about to rev it for you. Let's go. Oh, dude, how good does that sound? Oh my God, how good does that sound?
It sounds sick. Dude, I'm so stoked.
Yeah, I am too, man. This is great. Okay, let me hear it. You give it a couple reps.
All right.
That sounds good. All right, our quest continues. I'm getting awfully used to whipping this out here.
Oh wait, yeah.
All right, y'all, so to end this vlog, we're gonna do the wife test. That's right, the wife test. We're gonna show the car to the wife, give the wife a ride, and we're gonna let her drive it. All right, babe, what do you think of the car? This is your first time seeing it, so I really wanna know your reaction.
It's amazing.
Walk around it, walk around it. And don't forget to talk loud too, because the engine's
It's amazing. I didn't realize how small it was going to be.
Yeah, speaking of small, hop on in.
Oh my God, what is going on? Ah! Ah! What the hell? Oh my God, baby.
We literally, you guys couldn't tell, but we literally spun first, second, and third gear.
I have like chest pains or something. Don't you dare. Babe, come on now.
Oh wow, it's a nice fit on you, babe. Dang. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Give it some juice.
It's like faster than the GTR. Like
Yeah.
it's up faster than the
by
GTR.
a lot.
Yeah, by a lot.
What'd you think?
It's amazing.
Yeah?
The car's absolutely amazing.
Well, how does it drive?
It drives, it's like a spaceship. It's like a rocket.
Yeah?
Yeah, I felt like I was in a mini rocket.
Nice.
It's tiny.
All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Wife approved. I couldn't be happier with this car. I can't believe this is something that actually happened. I mean, it's literally a dream come true to set your eyes on something like this, you know, and actually just work your ass off and achieve it. It's literally a dream come true, guys. So I think we're at the point right now where I think this vlog is done. I think we ended it on a high note. I feel really good about everything. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.